out loud to have any fun. Ugh. I wanted to go to the big slime ball so much. It's such a big event. But instead, I'm doing this. My evil stepmother made me sort Skittles and M&Ms. She says that I'm not going to the ball until I do it. Tater Tots, maybe you can help. No? Ugh. I can't even have one candy for myself. My stepmother said that she'd count them.
Dear Sam, I know how to help you.
Oh, who are you? A fairy?
Don't be sad. I'm your godmother, my little friend. I came to help you go to the ball.
Oh, I'm ready to go right now! But I can't. I need to sort candies.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'm here to make a magical machine for sorting candies.
A magical machine? Yay! Hey! With all this work, I haven't forgotten about you, my dear viewers. And today, you're in for something amazing!
Yes. Today, we're going to make a magical candy sorting machine.
Will you wave your wand and the machine will appear?
What? No, Sammy, magic doesn't work that way. First, we'll need to prepare all the necessary parts, then assemble the machine, and then we'll have magic.
Well, all right. It's still faster than sorting candies one by one. What do I need to do?
Please cut openings in these cardboard pieces.
Cardboard? That doesn't sound magical, but... oh well.
Even magic needs some effort. Give a magical thumbs up if you agree. And I'll start assembling our amazing candy machine. Here I have 24 cardboard strips, 22 by 2 centimeters. I'll glue each 4 of them together to make a sturdy base for our candy machine. Because candies aren't as light as they may seem.
No, wait!
Oh?
You can't even eat one candy or the stepmother will get angry and punish me!
Oh, well, I won't. You're so honest, my dear godson Sam.
Yes, that's me, hardworking and honest. I'll continue cutting out cardboard pieces.
Hard work and honesty are wonderful qualities. Which qualities do you think are most important? Write in the comments, please! Da-da-da-dum. These are the sturdy cardboard strips I've made. And I've made these out of strips 12 by 2 centimeters. Everything's ready for making the base.
Everything's ready! Why did I need to cut?
Oh, no, Sammy. Only some of the pieces are ready. See, I'm gluing them together to form one big piece for the base. We'll need your pieces later.
Tell me, fairy godmother, can you make candy wrappers disappear on their own so I won't have to collect them all over the house?
Sammy, you just need to throw them into the trash can right away.
Oh, well, fine.
Abracadabra! Nope. Alakazoo! Not what I need. Let's try this again. Ugh. No! Alakazam! Ugh. Okay, one more time. And yes! Yum! Yes! Sammy has such a wild imagination, but this craft doesn't need imagination as much as it needs neatness and patience while I glue these pieces together to make a kind of crate. There, it'll hold other pieces. We'll start with this platform. It's made of cardboard pieces glued together. I'll attach it to the base, nice and slow. Let's apply some magical glue. Just look at this pretty blue glitter. And I'll attach the sides. On the back, and on the front. And now... what is that?
Take me away, my cardboard horse, to the slime ball towards fun!
Sammy, what are you doing? These are parts for the candy machine.
Oh, well, I thought what if I sit in them like a car? I'll get to the slime ball right away!
I'm afraid cardboard doesn't have magical properties like that, but these pieces will help us continue our craft.
These are some cool openings I've made, right?
Yes, Sammy. It's one of the most important parts of the machine because candies will come out of here.
Oh, then glue them in place. Hurry!
This big piece should go on top. Carefully now. And this piece doesn't need gluing, but...
circles.
Yes, Sammy. We need to glue these circles to it. They'll be the handles. I'll glue one handle first. Then set the piece in place. And now I'll glue the second handle. Right, the piece moves. Wonderful!
Let me do it too!
That'll be enough. You'll have plenty of time to move it. We still need to glue all the walls.
All the walls? How many is that?
Well, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 walls.
That's right. But cardboard walls aren't enough. We also need to make glass walls in the front, like this. Oh,
Oh, what?
we need to add an important piece inside. 2 to be exact. Magic. We'll make little slides for candies to make it easier for them to slide into the opening.
Yeah, candy slides!
And now we can place the transparent walls.
To know what's inside?
And more importantly, how much is left.
So this isn't an endless candy machine?
No, Sammy, all candies finish at some point.
Oh,
Aw, cheer up. I'll put the lid on and then you're going to see some real magic.
I can't wait!
Well, you'll have to wait a bit because the slides inside aren't enough. We also need candy slides on the outside.
Can slimes ride these slides?
I doubt it. That is unless you want to turn into a candy-sized slime.
Oh, no, I don't.
Well, then you'll have to watch candies ride these slides. Here, we'll have Skittles. And M&Ms go here.
Fairy godmother, how is this wonderful machine going to solve the issue with candy sorting? It only serves them separately.
Well, Sammy, I'm not called a fairy for nothing. Bibbity, bobbity, boom! Here are 2 containers with candies for you.
Holy cannoli!
Let's pour the candies into different sections and try our machine in action. And don't worry, you'll be able to eat a candy or 2. I've added candies so your stepmother won't notice anything.
Yay!
So, here we go!
Oh, man.
All right. No more candy mess.
I'm so happy. Now I can go to the ball.
Sure, Sammy. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? What? Where? Huh? This is my bedroom. Not a ball. So weird. I don't get it. Huh.
Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Hi, Sammy. Want a candy?
Susie. Oh, Sue, where did this candy machine come from?
What do you mean? You've had it for ages. Have you forgotten? Silly Sam. Eat a candy and you'll remember everything.
Oh.
Bibbity, bobbity, boom! Guys, give a big thumbs up if you liked our magical machine assembly. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel not to miss any new videos from Sam.